Alright, Dr. Osia, so this is our design phase. We first went to the intersection and we tried to figure out which lights are going on at the same time. So we drew this first diagram that went through the different sequences, omitting the yellow lights. And we actually drew them out so we can have visual state 0, state 1, state 2, state 3, state 4, state 5, state 6, state 7, state 8, state 9.
Alright, and
Then the first attempt we did to get our excitation equations for our flip-flop was we did K-maps. And at first we did 5 variable K-maps because we were going to do a light sensor. And we realized it was a little challenging, so we reduced it to 4 variable K-maps. And we tried to do it with logic gates, but then we realized that was a little too complicated. So we changed to this design, decoder, where we used decoder going into 4 NAND gates into our flip-flops, and then they were feeding back into the decoder. Here's our state diagram. At first state, we have 2 lights are green, the rest are red, and then next state, 1 light is green, next light is yellow, and so forth, so on. We'll show you the simulation in a little bit. From the state diagram, we encoded it to 1s and 0s here. Then we created our state diagram showing the current state, the state table, the current state and the next state. And the full state table includes all of the outputs for light A, light B, light C, light D, light E, light F, light G, and light H.
alright, so this is ready? So this is our 4-bit counter, which is count from like 1 to 10, 0 to 10, using decoder and NAND gate, and also the flip-flop, 4 flip-flop. So from there, we run into decoder again, and from there we just go to NAND gate to use to our LED, which is traffic light, and we connect it back together to the actual traffic light. So here's alright, so now I put my sensor into like frequency is 200 millihertz, and the first this is a state. This is the second state, which is this one, that one on, and it's yellow, and it's turning to the next state, which is going to the Hillen root, which is going to be green right there. Hillen root is going to be green this way, and it's turned yellow and red, and it's going to both Hillen roots are going to be turning green and becoming yellow and red, and we're going back to the first state, which is the left turning signal, right turning signal is on, and as well as the 33 street from this side. And that's pretty much.
Tomorrow.
Here's where it starts. The second one left race on, and the other one is on, and still on there. And next day, this one, this light become yellow, and all 3 is green. And next week, left hand signal is yellow and red. And when this two is on, and the leg drive is on green.
Did it work?
And this is the left hand signal, and this is the actual one. And the left hand signal yellow.
I was taking care of my own business and now I realized, wait,
And left hand signal go red. And when that red, this one is green. And this one is green, the hill and drive. And when they both yellow, this one yellow, and it's yellow. This one is the green, red, and going back to 33.